Hello and welcome on Giant Factory's YouTube channel. Today's topic is 11 facts about money. So number 1, the oldest currency still in use is the British pound. The British pound dates back to 775 before Christ and was called the pound sterling when Anglo-Saxon kings used silver pennies or sterlings as money. Today, this foreign currency is the fourth most traded in the foreign exchange market, after the US dollar, the euro, and the Japanese yen. There are 1.4 billion $2 bills still in circulation. The first $2 bills were printed in 1862. Although the original featured Alexander Hamilton, they were later redesigned to feature Thomas Jefferson. The bills are still in circulation, 1.4 billion of them in fact, and are considered to the rarest currency denomination in the US. Some people believe $2 bills were bad luck and would rip off the corners of the bill to reverse the curse, making them unusable. Number 3. The first universal credit card was introduced in 1950. Credit cards originated in the US back in the 1920s, but were issued by individual firms such as oil companies and hotel chains to their customers specifically for purchases made by at company outlets. Number 4, there's an ATM on every continent on Earth. One interesting money fact involves how we access it. There are more than 3 million cash machines around the world today. You can get or deposit cash at ATMs in the most remote of places, including Easter Island, Central Australia, and 2 at McMurdo Station in Antarctica. Number 5, the Secret Service originally fought counterfeiting. Today, we typically think of the US Secret Service as protection for certain political leaders, including the president and vice president and their immediate families. But the agency was founded for a very different reason. By the end of the Civil War, fake money was a significant problem, with nearly 1/3 of all US paper currency in circulation being counterfeit. As a result, the financial stability of the country was in jeopardy. So in 1865, the Treasury Department established the Secret Service to suppress this counterfeiting. Number 6, most Americans hoard their spare change. One recent survey by Maine, people do nothing with the loose change they accumulated. Interestingly, 60% of the male respondents said they are more likely to leave their extra coins untouched compared to 51% of the female respondents. Number 7, only 8% of the world's currency is physically money. Interesting money fact, with the mobile banking and electronic payments becoming more and more common, people are earning and spending money without having to even touch it. Economists estimate only 8% of the world's currency is literally cash, with the rest existing on computer hard drives in electronic bank accounts. Number 9 or 8, I'm not sure, the coins didn't always say "In God we trust." The original American penny, reportedly designed by Benjamin Franklin, features a motto he popularized: "Mind your business." The message wasn't literally telling people not to be nosy. Instead, it was meant as a literal instruction about business and commerce to keep focused on your livelihood. Number 10, US airports make big money from loose change. According to the Department of Homeland Security, airline passengers leave behind thousands of dollars in coins each year at US airport screening checkpoints. In the most recent year studied, the Transportation Security Administration collected $500,000 in unclaimed money, mostly coins, from passengers who emptied their pockets while going through the security line. And number 11, this century is transforming money. The 21st century ushered in a new way for us to pay for things. Mobile payment technology like Venmo, PayPal, and Google Pay. Approximately 25% of people worldwide use mobile and digital wallets ahead of credit cards. Globally, the mobile payment market was worth 1.9 trillion in 2023. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm going for the banana. So this is my banana and I'm going to eat it. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.